There are AI influencers making over $10,000 a month, and they're not even real. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one. Grow it on Instagram, and even make premium content some creators are selling on platforms like OnlyFans. This is a beginner-friendly walkthrough. No coding, no tech background needed. AI influencers are one of the fastest-growing trends online. Brands pay for promotions, fans pay for exclusive content, and here's the best part. You can run multiple influencer profiles without ever showing your face. Instagram is the easiest place to start. It's visual, it's free, and AI-generated images are so realistic now, most people can't tell the difference. Some creators combine Instagram growth with paid subscription platforms like OnlyFans or FanView for premium, spicier content. If you can create a believable character and post consistently, you can build an audience and start earning quickly. First, you need a realistic AI-generated face for your influencer. The best free tools for this right now are Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion XL, and Juggernaut XL. Let's say you're using Leonardo AI. You just enter a descriptive prompt like portrait of a 25-year-old brunette fitness model, soft lighting, looking at camera. Turn on the photorealistic options, generate multiple images, and choose the one that looks the most authentic. This face becomes the identity of your AI influencer. Save it to your computer. We'll use it in every post moving forward. To create different images without losing your influencer's look, use a tool like Inside Face Swap Bot on Discord. Here's how. Create a new Discord server and add the Face Swap bot. Upload your chosen face and give it an ID name, like Maya. Whenever you want a new post, choose a target image and swap in Maya's face. It works with fitness poses, lifestyle shots, beach photos, anything you want. For small tweaks like removing blemishes or changing eye color, use the Canvas editor in Leonardo AI. Now start posting. Aim for 1 to 2 high-quality posts every day. Use hashtags in your niche. For example, if you're making a fitness influencer, include hashtag Fitspo, hashtag fitness model, hashtag gym motivation. Engage with similar accounts to get noticed, and comment on trending posts in your space. If you want to grow faster, collaborate with micro-influencers for shoutouts or reposts. There are multiple ways to earn: sponsorships and paid shoutouts, affiliate links to products your audience will love, premium content subscriptions. If you want to explore spicier content, like some AI creators do on OnlyFans or FanView, use tools like CivitAI, which allow uncensored image generation. Always stay within the law and platform guidelines. But remember, this is where many AI influencers make the bulk of their income. And that's it. You now know how to create, grow, and monetize your AI influencer. You can do it from home, on your own schedule, and even run multiple influencer profiles at once. The earlier you start, the less competition you'll face. So take this, set up your first AI influencer today, and start building your online income stream.